My name is Mohsen Hassani. I'm a PhD candidate in Mechanical and Manufacturing Engineering at University of Calgary. The main point of my research project is to develop the point-of-care platform for detection of different cancers, particularly bladder and lung cancers. This point-of-care platform is something like a pregnancy test kits that we can use at home wherever they want, whenever they want, for detection of bladder and lung cancers. The current technology is quite expensive, time-consuming, and more importantly, invasive, while this technology brings something affordable, fast, and non-invasive. We have developed a minimum viable product and delivered to different labs for third-party validation. Winning this award was a great personal achievement, and it helps me to bring this product closer to the market.